Psalm 126 stands as one of the 15 Songs of Ascent, traditionally sung by Jewish pilgrims journeying upward to Jerusalem for major religious festivals. Its core narrative centers on the visceral shock of sudden, miraculous deliverance, widely understood by biblical scholars to reference the Israelites' return from the Babylonian exile. Instead of a straightforward historical recount, the text functions as a communal hymn that captures the emotional whiplash of transitioning from profound captivity to unimaginable freedom. The opening verses look backward to this historical rescue, describing the experience as feeling like those who dream. The joy of returning to Zion was so overwhelming and unexpected that it felt surreal, prompting mouths filled with laughter and tongues with shouts of joy. This dramatic reversal of fortune was not just a private national victory. It was so magnificent that even the surrounding pagan nations were forced to acknowledge that God had done great things for them. Midway through, the psalm pivots sharply from celebrating past victories to pleading for current relief. The psalmist asks God to restore our fortunes like streams in the Negev. The Negev is a parched, desert region in southern Israel, known for its wadis, dry riverbeds that remain barren for months until sudden, heavy rains transform them into raging, life-giving torrents. This geographic metaphor perfectly illustrates the kind of intervention the people are praying for: a rapid, overwhelming flood of grace into a dry and desperate season. To further anchor this plea, the text transitions into a timeless agricultural metaphor, declaring that those who sow in tears will reap with songs of joy. Farming in the ancient Near East was arduous, precarious work, and sowing seeds during a famine or drought was an act of desperate faith, literally accompanied by weeping over the sacrifice of remaining food. Yet, the psalm promises that this painful, faithful investment will inevitably culminate in a joyous harvest, with the weeping farmer returning carrying heavy sheaves of grain. Ultimately, Psalm 126 serves as a spiritual bridge between remembering past gratitude and holding on to future hope. It acknowledges that human life often requires living in the tension between what God has done before and what needs restoration now. By holding the memory of miraculous deliverance alongside the present reality of tears and dry seasons, it offers an enduring framework for resilience, suggesting that present sorrow is merely the planting stage for a future, joyful harvest.